Working with Reflow, it actually feels more of a partnership.
Getting core highways onto one platform, onto Reflow, has been the answer.
In terms of the savings, it's probably around £250,000. So Core Highways, at its heart, it's a safety business. We deal with making sure that works carried out on roads and public highways are done in a safe way and minimise disruption to drivers and other users of the road. Through the acquisitions, Core Highways essentially merged 5 businesses into one. We have 34 depots across the country. We have around 1,400 employees. About 900 of those are operatives, the people you see out on the roads completing the works and the jobs.
It was quite a struggle through the acquisition. Multiple entities of businesses working on multiple platforms, all having different processes, policies, even different systems. As you can imagine, it was an absolute minefield when Core Highways were trying to promote sharing of resource. The administrative tasks of raising purchase orders was taking up a lot of time, especially within the finance department, moving money from systems to systems, technically within the same group.
When I joined, my first impression of the application landscape was that it was a little fragmented. So my challenge was to consolidate this into systems that we thought were fit for purpose. One of those systems was Reflow.
Working with Reflow, it's the last piece of the rebrand puzzle for Core Highways. We will all work in the same way and in the same process going forward. You could take an operative from the southwest and drop them in Newcastle, and the only thing would change is the people around them and the names on the road signs.
Every job we have is on Reflow, every bit of information. We use it for our timesheets every day. Your vehicle defects are also on there. Reflow app's been very user-friendly, quite self-explanatory, a lot easier than the previous apps we've had.
Before, calling on the job would mean our operatives doing their paperwork via their tablet, picking up their mobile phone and either WhatsApping or texting a number. Now, when they send the live job to us, that also sends the permit on time, and when they send the off-hire of the job to us, that also sends the permit. Calling on street work permits, calling off street work permits is a must. It's a big part of our job, so this has a huge impact on our profitability, where Reflow has taken that risk away now. It's 100% taken away.
The payroll element has always been a manual process. It has been really tough to even try and get it to systemize, but now we're actually in a place going from 5 human touch points within the business to now 2 through Reflow. Now all of our time and attendance is electronic. Our payroll department can actually see down to timesheet level now, where that has never been seen before. Within our first 2 months of the Southwest being live, we've already seen from 15,000 tasks, nearly 200,000 photos come back, just from an evidence perspective. That data has increased probably over 1,000% from our old platforms.
In a standard depot, daily you'll probably save yourself 2.5 hours.
In terms of the savings, it's probably around £250,000.
Job profitability will be automated rather than multiple people from multiple departments all putting figures together to come up with the answer. That manual process will go, and it will just be data driven by the system. Data comes in and then your figure will come out at the end.
Getting Core Highways onto one platform, onto Reflow, has been the answer.
I couldn't imagine going to another system that's not Reflow.
It doesn't feel like a business transaction. It actually feels more of a partnership. The Reflow team have put our dreams into practice.
I would recommend Reflow, absolutely. Reflow has an end-to-end capability that the other systems don't have. Going back to those systems now would be a step backwards for Core Highways.